Okay guys, so today I'm going to do some engine detail. I will clean this shit engine from the GTO with IK foam sprayer, just a brush and a towel. So this is the car which I will do. Just a quick review. Yeah, by the way, it's not VR4, it's SL, which means it's injector. Anyway, this is the engine. It's shit and dirty, and I'll try to clean it as much as possible. Okay, so let's see how it will turn out. Okay guys, so just a quick, I put some water. Now I'll try to use the foam. Okay, let's try this now. It's not that bad. It's okay for just cleaning. We'll see how it will turn out. Okay. Okay. Now we'll take the brush and just clean as much as possible. Okay. Try to reach the tight area. Okay. Let's just give it a wash now. So here is after the wash. It's pretty much clean, better than before. And I will just dry it with the towel, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully I will do much better videos later. This is the first one. I know it's shit. Anyway, bye bye.